Hello, me again. Same shirt as last time because it's the same day, but bonus video. This time it's going to be about rugs. So I'm just going to switch you over to my web page. Here we go. And you can see I've got a few different rugs here, and you're thinking, why have you made so many different versions of the rug? It's because the rug and a few other items, they work a little bit differently. They don't scale. And it's slightly annoying, but I thought I'd give this information just so you know, because I've got rugs out there that I've only got one size, and I think it's a small. So if you're going to go into there and create a rug, I'm just going to edit one of these rugs, they already exist. So they've got all the sizes up here. So, and I think it starts you on a small. So you've got to make the small rug first. What I've done is I've written down, or wrote down, all the sizes, and on a piece of paper, just so I've got them for a reference. And what you can also do for an extra bit of reference, if I find those rugs again, there they are, you can add a quick note, so you can write the sizing up there, or write large or whatever, and just make every single one of them. Okay, this is just a quick video about rugs, and I might as well include in this video actually trays and curtains, because curtains are the same. You've got to make one of each of the sizes of curtain. Now it works slightly different. Now if I go to the top here and type in curtains, right, you can see I've got a curtain here. And now if I go into edit, you have to type in manually the sizes. So you're going to have to learn the sizes of what curtains are, unfortunately. But if you just hop onto your local department store website, they'll have curtains, and you can just copy the sizes, the common sizes, and just write them in there. That's what I've done. I think I've done 5 different sizes of curtain and 3 different sizes of blind. So that's that, and it's just giving away all of my designs here. But like I said in a former video, I don't really care about that. So yeah, go and watch that video to find out what my opinion is of showing your artwork on publicly on YouTube like this. Okay, so I'm now going to type in trays, and you can see that I've actually only got one size of that tray, because I think it's called something else. Yeah, because I worked out that you have to make different sizes. So you can see I put the slim, small, large. There should be a, oh, it's because it's called desk tidy. So yeah, it's messed up, and they need to fix it a little bit. So you've got them all there as well. So I just mark them down the same, copy those down, and of course in their product description on their actual shop page, this is not included in the product information. So make sure you are writing this in the description or the title of the item that you're making, because they will not include these dimensions. And I think that's the same for curtains as well, and rugs. Yeah, they will not include the dimensions in the product description, so that is down to you. Anyways, that is everything, and I'm going to see you next time.